morning. So it is 10:30, 10:25, 10:30, and I just got up like 30 minutes ago. I did let the dogs out. I think Babe woke up and then went back to sleep. So I let the dogs out and they didn't do anything in the cages. Usually they go out like 5 or 6, no later than 7. So I just knew like Remy was gonna do something. She's the baby. China and Gigi don't care. They'll wait. But Remy, she was asleep when I walked in there. She didn't even start whining when I opened the door or nothing. I'm proud of them. Proud mother. But anywho, happy Vlogmas day 4. I am so proud of me, y'all. I've been on it. Now, yesterday I was saying in my vlog that I didn't want to upload at 11. Ended up still uploading at 11. So I guess I'm gonna have to start editing, because I did start editing at 8:30. So I'm gonna really have to start at 6:30 or 7. So let's see how much stuff we can get done within these 8 hours that you have me for. The last one we have is Gigi's. Who's it? I feel like they all so similar, but Gigi's is bigger than Remy's. Remy got that little baby food. That big food. So I've actually like come to like the taste a little bit of Perrier, or I've come around to it even without anything extra in it. Now I wouldn't just sit there and drink a bottle of it, but like before I put my Mio in, I take a sip and I'm like, okay, it's not that bad, but it just really tastes like I don't even know how to explain it, like fireworks. Like that's what it tastes like. I've never tasted fireworks, I don't think, but it's just real sparkly. So I definitely prefer putting like Mio in, well, now the ginger ale flavor in here. Change of mother freaking plans. So Amazon wanted to play with me, so I'm not going to do the gold skinny pencil tree. I'm doing a white tree, which I've already done in my first apartment. So I'm about to say my pizza. Yeah, I've already done a white tree before, but I'm just going to add the white and gold accents. Well, it's basically gonna be white on white plus gold plus red. I got the tree from at home, okay, and the some ornaments like the 5-inch, 6-inch ones from Big Lots. So change of plans, and that's okay, because we got the red and white Christmas paper, we got the gold and white bags. Everything is still gonna match. I just feel like it's a bigger tree, so I don't know if I'm gonna have enough ornaments, but if not, I'll just, I was already not feeling the gold on gold ornaments. So the gold on white ornaments are going to be just fine. Anywho, I am boiling my water to mop the floor. And I have to eat a slice of pizza because I forgot I took my 30 minutes, my vitamins more than 30 minutes ago. So I warmed up a slice of pizza. Need some hot sauce. Look at this stove. That's why we getting this house together, y'all. I bought this like 2 months ago for me and Babe to color, and we are just now pulling it out. It's huge, as you can see. I don't know where we're gonna hang it afterwards, but I might put it above the bean bag. I did say I wanted to put that paint in there, but I really love this. So yeah, sorry, I'm eating pizza.
Time seems to slow down when I'm driving to your house. Everything it's making sense when we're talking. Rest your head. We don't need the world if we got it.
Can we just take a moment? Can we take a moment to appreciate the clean floors, okay? The clean kitchen. Before these dogs come in and mess up my floors like I know they're going to. So I had to refill their drink thing. They go through water like crazy. I'm washing their food bowls in the dishwasher right now. I washed out their little tray that everything goes on. The wooden part of their pink bowls started to get mold because on their tray it'd be water because they're messy. So I ended up throwing the wooden part away and I'm just keeping the pink bowls. So yeah, that's that on that. But can we just appreciate before they come in and mess it all up? So these little containers, I told y'all, I think that I got these for my spices initially. So I'll see what I'm gonna do with them. I just put them in here and I'm gonna go put them in the closet. But that's pretty much that. The guy for the Christmas tree, he just called, so I'm super excited. I might even go out there and sweep. It's so hot today. It's like 75, I'm not kidding. So I might go out there and sweep. We'll see how I feel. Now I am coming to tackle this floor. Look at all the paw prints. Look at it. So I'm gonna let them in. I'm gonna let them drink some water, but I might put them in a cage because I have to mop out here. So yeah, that's that.
I just wanna be where you are. Just wanna be where you are. We're satellites in the dark. Just
That just don't make no sense. Do you see the before? No, the before and the after. That don't make no sense. I just love seeing the house in like full beauty. You know, everything is done. So now that the entryway, I did wipe down that black thing. When I tell you, I still gotta wipe it again. Black furniture, gonna show you all the dust, all the dirt, and that's okay. All right. I'd rather see it than not. The water was disgusting. Like I'm thinking I'ma redo, like change out the water and do it again because it's looking real bad. Look at that, real bad. So yeah, drying over here. Everything just looks so good. Now waiting for the tree. Apparently I'm gonna have to pull this chair some more. So the walkway is literally just gonna be walk in and that's it. So that's fine for Christmas, you know, whatever. It is what it is. But I have to get those boxes upstairs, that into the closet, and then everything will be how I want it. So yeah, currently waiting on deliveries from Big Lots and at home. And I think that's who's texting me right now. No, you do. The tree is here.
Yeah, I can't wait to tear this down.
Yeah.
there's a billion stars. I'm floating inside these arms. Just wanna be where you are. Just wanna be where you are. Where you are. Where you are. Where you are. Wanna be where you are.
All right, y'all. So the lights are white, like bright white, but I want warm white, as you can see, like with the presents. So I'm just gonna use the lights I bought. It is a pre-lit tree, and it was a good deal too at home. But yeah, I'm not messing with the bright white. They like it though.
It don't matter.
It do. Y'all, they got me tasting this, and it tastes like a saltine cracker. I thought I was gonna hate it, but it's okay. I'm not gonna drink it, but it tastes like a saltine cracker. It's
Wanna be where you are. 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 Where you are.
Y'all, look at the snow. It just fills in the gap so beautifully. And it's so much. I didn't even need 2 packs. I'm going to still go around to the back of the tree. But so far, so cute.
Bro, what?
You had to wear a blue outfit to go with your blue chips.
Yeah. You want to take one?
No, I'm just nasty.
All in, drifting in your tide, we're flawless. I didn't have to think about it. Really take it 'cause you want to ride it. This feeling is swift like a river running through you. You make me go. Sunrise, perfect on your face, talking all night, memorizing ways you feel right, fit into place so dreamlike. Didn't have to think about it, really take it 'cause you want to ride it. This feeling is swift like a river running to you. You make me go. Got it done there. You make me go. Got it done there. You make me go.
I got cherries. Babe's changing filters. My Big Lots order came. I got this cute white and red fluffy squirrel. It's at 14, but it wasn't 14 online. It's like a sale going on. So, got that. Big Lots came through. I got some candy canes. Traditional. I really want some gold ones. I don't think they make them. So then, I got the dogs some stocking stuffers. Hey, look. I don't know if they squeak, though. Aw, these burnt. Oh, never mind. Never mind. But they gonna want them before. Look, y'all. They said, what was that? Remy, why are you looking at the door? The squeaks was over here. Remy. All right. Anywho, 3-pack. Okay, no, y'all cannot have them right now. They go in y'all stocking. I got these big ornaments. They're like half the size of my head. So I didn't know. They had like these clear ones that had like a little, it was like a snow globe kind of. They was out of stock. Got gold, of course. I really wanted the red to add some red to it. I'm gonna just show you. I got 3 of each. Well, maybe not. I think I just got these 6. That's probably why I said I was gonna go back to the store, because they had 2 that wasn't in stock. So I actually got 4 of these and 3 of these. So I might go to the Big Lots tomorrow if it's not enough, but this should be enough. Oh. The phone down. So then I got some more picks, but these are red. So I just got some red like glitter picks, and it's a lot of them. I think I got 7. I got some Whoppers. I like the original ones, but these I guess are like white chocolate stocking stuffers for myself. Then I got some candy cane gummies by Haribo. And these are my favorite. The candy cane shot glasses. Hey, get away from my squirrel. I think that's it. So that's all I got from Big Lots. So I'm about to add that to the tree.